That was way too quick. First game of the night, and we doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Huh. I won't be able to do that. Now can I? Alpha. Cyber emergency for Alpha. I need something for this. Preparation of rights. Let me add the Benton. Alpha Benton. Alpha effect. I'm gonna have to get the Benton. Yeah, Benton. Benton is gonna give me orange light. Yeah. Just in case. Foolish burial. That's gonna dump Gamma. Do I do Gamma? Or... No. I could do Zeta and still try to end with the board here. Zeta. I was gonna do Gamma, but I think I could do Zeta. 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 Benton. Special. Activate effect. Add ritual spell. Benton. How many Bentons do I have in there? Okay. We'll get the third Benton. Union Carrier. Activate effect, target itself. Equip Dawn Knight. Medionus DRYTRON6. Benton from the grave. Use Union Carrier. Ritual summon. Dawn Knight. It's gonna dump Gamma. And then Gamma. Tribute Benton. Special from the grave. Activate effect. Special back Alpha. Benton. It's gonna get Vanity's Ruler. Medionus DRYTRON6. Decrease attack. Add to hand. Activate Medionus DRYTRON6. Benton from the grave. And then it's Alpha. Because Gamma doesn't have enough attack. Then I will tribute 2 Bentons to tribute summon Vanity's Ruler. And then double Benton tribute. This is gonna get Eva, and purple. No, wait. Yeah, purple. Let's get all the hand traps in here. I will link it off for Link Haribo. Probably should have gotten Natasha, but didn't. See, now I could Lancia shotgun, but then if it does a monster effect, I won't be able to get Eva's effect when I use orange lights. So no, I'm not gonna shotgun it. No. Oh yeah, he has his chat off. Yeah. Gonna set a card, okay. And end his turn. Nope. Damn it. It's probably Eldritch. But you can't special summon because Danny's ruler. That's why I got the purple light. Just in case he tries to do any traps, I could negate it with purple. Another Lancia, nice. Not nice. No, I don't want to do that. Should have gotten Natasha. Whatever. Battle. Like Haribo, direct attack. Nice. Vanity's Ruler, direct attack. Tenendo. No, I'm not gonna Lancia. Nope. KOSMO. What? A lightsaber? No. Torrential Tribute. Purple. With Eva. Oh, it's got another one. That's why I got the purple. He summoned, then he's gonna activate Torrential Tribute, which is going to destroy all monsters on the field, but purple. The trap is activated. My opponent activates a trap card, quick effect. You can send this card and one other fairy monster from your hand to the graveyard, negate the activation and destroy it. Does he have another second torrential? Is he going to time out? That would be awesome. Timeout, all good. Oh, it's gonna time out. Was timing out that better than losing? Let's duel wins from timeout. Perfect! What the heck was that? Oh, but I did win. I did gain some. I did gain. Where was I here? I was at 1267 and now I'm at 1279. Won by timeout, I'll take it. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.